Welcome to Smart Rookies TV. Tenses in English Grammar Quiz. There are 11 questions. You have 10 seconds to read and choose the correct answer. You may pause the video if you need more time to read. Wish you the best of luck. She plays outside. They are running fast. She will travel next week. They will be playing soccer at 5 p.m. By the time we arrived, the show had started. She has been reading for 2 hours. She was cooking dinner when I arrived. She has eaten lunch. She has spoken French fluently since she moved to Paris. He had finished his homework before he went out to play. By 10 p.m., they will have finished their homework. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.